My name is Councillor Velile Stokwe. I'm the Mayor of Senqu Local Municipality. We are excited to be hosting the first Joe Getter Investment Summit. This summit gives us an opportunity to profile our comparative and competitive advantages as a municipality, and it is also in line with our mission statement that we want to build a rural municipality with a viable economy that creates job opportunities for our people. We are going to use this summit to ensure that we attract investors into our space, but with all that investment, it must be an investment that changes the lives of our people, that gives opportunities to our local people. We are going to work tirelessly as a municipality to ensure that as we profile, we are also engaging with the investors about the opportunities that we have. This municipality has a competitive advantage in wool production, in agriculture, in tourism, and also in retail. So those investors that will be coming in our space, they must take advantage of the richness of this area. We are geographically located nearer to the borders of Lesotho and Free State on the other side, with a diverse economy, with villages that are more than 100, that have got the buying power to sustain any business. So this message is to call upon investors to come to our area and ensure that they participate in this investment summit by Joe Getter. But beyond that, we must build partnerships that benefits our people. So to those who will be coming to Senqu for this summit, you are all welcomed. Feel free. Please ensure that you invest as much as possible. When you invest in Senqu, you are investing to the people. When you invest in Senqu, you are directly investing to the future of this country. Thank you very much.